ComfyUI is powerful because the node graph can grow with your imagination. But the right custom nodes make the difference between fighting the canvas and actually building. Here are 20 node packs worth knowing, each shown over its own GitHub repo so you can see exactly where to grab it. First is RG3. If ComfyUI is your daily workspace, RG3 is the quality of life upgrade that makes the whole interface feel faster. It adds workflow productivity tools, better navigation, cleaner organization, and small shortcuts that compound over a long session. Install this when your graphs are getting big and you want the editor to feel less like a maze and more like a control room. Impact Pack is one of the heavy hitters. It is best known for face detailer, but the real value is the whole toolbox around mask segmentation, inpainting, detection, and focused refinement. When a render is almost right, but the face, hands, or mask region needs targeted repair, Impact Pack gives you practical nodes that turn cleanup into a repeatable workflow instead of a manual rescue mission. Inspire Pack is the companion pack for people who like smoother workflows. It brings quality of life nodes that help with prompts, control flow, model handling, and common graph chores. It is not about one flashy effect. It is about removing friction. If you download workflows from the community, Inspire also appears often, so having it installed can prevent missing node surprises. Easy use does what the name promises. It wraps common ComfyUI patterns into cleaner loaders and simplified workflow nodes, so you can build faster without wiring the same boilerplate again and again. This is especially useful when you're trying new models, switching checkpoints, or building templates for repeat work. It makes complex graphs feel more approachable without hiding all the power underneath. Crystools is the monitoring pack. When a workflow fails, slows down, or silently eats all your VRAM, guessing is painful. Crystools gives you visibility into GPU, memory, and performance behavior from inside ComfyUI. That makes it easier to understand whether a problem is the model, the resolution, the batch size, or the hardware ceiling. It is less glamorous than an image effect, but it saves real time. KJ Nodes is a huge utility collection, and it is especially valuable around video workflows. KJ's repositories show up in a lot of advanced ComfyUI experiments because they tend to cover practical gaps: image operations, batching helpers, video-related nodes, and workflow glue. Install it when you want a broad toolbox that supports experimentation instead of a single narrow feature. Node Suite is older and parts of it are retired, but it still matters because so many legacy and community workflows depend on it. Think of it as the classic Swiss Army knife pack: image tools, text tools, conversion helpers, and utility nodes that solve everyday problems before newer packs existed. You may not start every new graph with, but you will be glad it is there when an imported workflow asks for it. LayerStyle brings a Photoshop-like mindset into ComfyUI. Instead of treating every image operation as a one-off node chain, it gives you layer compositing tools, blending, effects, masks, adjustments, and design style finishing moves. This is useful when you want outputs that feel assembled and art-directed, not just sampled. For thumbnails, posters, product images, and graphic composites, LayerStyle can become a finishing desk. Video Helper Suite, usually called VHS, is essential once you move beyond still images. It handles video loading, frame extraction, frame combining, GIF support, and export patterns that ComfyUI does not make pleasant by default. If you are building animations, motion tests, frame interpolation pipelines, or image-to-video experiments, VHS is the bridge between a node graph and an actual video file. Fizz Nodes is for animation control. It helps schedule prompts, values, and changes over time, so an animation can evolve instead of staying static from first frame to last. That matters for camera moves, prompt travel, style shifts, and music video style experiments. If VHS is about getting frames in and out, Fizz Nodes is about giving those frames a timeline and a sense of direction. Comfyroll Studio, or CR Nodes, is a broad professional utility pack. It includes workflow helpers for layout, text, animation, image processing, and repeatable production tasks. The strength here is coverage. When you are turning ComfyUI from a toy box into a studio system, Comfyroll often provides the practical node you wish existed right in the middle of a graph. Their nodes focuses on math, logic, and utilities. That sounds dry until you need to drive a parameter, calculate a size, root values conditionally, or make a graph behave like a small program. Terfu is useful for people who want smarter workflows, not just bigger ones. It helps ComfyUI graphs become procedural systems with reusable logic instead of long chains of manual settings. Custom Scripts by PIS is one of those packs that changes the feel of ComfyUI itself. It adds essential UI improvements and helper nodes, especially around loading, previews, and workflow ergonomics. Many users install it not for a single node, but because the interface feels better afterward. It is a practical foundation pack, and it often shows up in workflows shared by experienced ComfyUI users. Efficiency Nodes is about collapsing repetitive pipeline work. It provides simplified loaders and combined nodes that reduce graph clutter, especially for common generation patterns. The benefit is speed of setup and readability. Instead of a wall of tiny setup nodes, you can use compact building blocks and focus on the part of the workflow that actually makes the image different. Advanced Control Net expands one of the most important control systems in image generation. If you use pose, depth, line art, scribbles, or other guided conditioning, this pack gives you more flexible ways to apply and combine control net behavior. It is especially important for complex compositions where the base model needs clear structural instructions, not just a prompt and a lucky seed. ComfyUI Essentials fills in nodes that feel like they should be core. These are practical missing pieces for common workflows: convenience nodes, image helpers, conditioning tools, and small utilities that make graphs cleaner. Essentials is a good name because the pack is not about spectacle. It is about making community workflows easier to run, and making your own graphs easier to build. T-Catch is for speed, especially in video generation. Some diffusion video workflows are painfully slow because every frame is expensive. T-Catch helps reuse computation in smart ways, dramatically reducing generation time in supported pipelines. The exact gain depends on the model and settings, but when it works, it can turn a workflow from barely usable into something you can actually iterate on. Salt AI is about automation, APIs, and agent-style workflows. ComfyUI is already a node engine, but Salt pushes it toward production systems where graphs can be triggered, connected, and used as part of larger pipelines. If your goal is not just to make one image, but to build tools, services, or repeatable automation around media generation, Salt AI is worth watching. ReActor is the face swap and face restoration option on this list. It is popular because it packages a difficult category into nodes that fit the ComfyUI way of working. Used responsibly, it can support character consistency, restoration, and identity-preserving bits. The important thing is to treat it as a controlled post-production tool, not a magic button. Good inputs and ethical use still matter. FramePack Wrapper points toward longer form video workflows. FramePack itself is associated with efficient video generation approaches, and this ComfyUI wrapper helps bring that capability into the node graph environment. If you are exploring image to video, longer clips, or more practical video pipelines, FramePack is a node pack to keep on your radar as the ComfyUI video ecosystem moves fast. That is the list. 20 packs that make Comfy more usable, more controllable, and more production ready. Start with RG3, Impact Pack, VHS, and Essentials if you want the practical core. Then add the specialist packs as your workflows move toward compositing, automation, control net, or video,